The Intercontinental Championship held by over a dozen WWE Hall of Famers, the likes of Stone Cold Steve Austin, Shawn Michaels, Bret Hart.
Well, that title symbolizes the workhorse of WWE.
It certainly has a history of being the largest stepping stone any individual can climb, known to put superstars on the map. All facts that these men know very well.
Oh, flipping the script on him there.
Oh, man.
Right to the gut.
Elusive movement there.
Suplex.
Oh, step up Enziguri.
Beautiful athleticism.
The hit's adding up a little on the champ.
He planned for this and could still rally.
We know that Daniel Bryan has not forgiven or forgotten the way he and Shane McMahon's match against Sami Zayn and Kevin Owens started at WrestleMania 34, Byron.
Oh, you're right, Michael. Zayn and Owens abolished the lines of human decency when they attacked Bryan after the former general manager fired them. Their actions were deplorable.
Who are you to judge the lines of human decency, Saxton? Bryan took away Zayn's livelihood when he fired Sami and Kevin.
There's a lot of anger here, which should add a new wrinkle to this battle between these two technical competitors.
Elbow drop.
He's in control.
And down with the suplex.
Nice cross body.
Back in from the floor.
When the WWE Intercontinental Championship rolls around, you know the superstars are going to be fired up. Set those DVRs, folks. Drop kick.
Great athleticism. Setting up.
For the win to retain the championship. Plenty of fight left.
Yeah, this is way too early to be going for the win.
And Sami Zayn exploiting the opening.
Smart.
Whoa, it's another reversal. And now that one's countered. Uh-oh. Look at this. Blue Thunderbomb.
This has got to be it.
And Sami Zayn setting up.
Zayn with a takedown. I can't believe it. He broke the hold.
And just in the nick of time, Cole. His face was turning all sorts of colors.
And Sami Zayn reverses it. Lost in the corner right now.
And for the first time tonight, Sami Zayn heads for the top rope.
In position up top.
Wow, that was some reversal by Daniel Bryan.
And finds a counter. Elbow drop.
Piercing.
Where in the world are these men finding the strength to continue?
Sami Zayn and Daniel Bryan have incredible stamina, but their hatred fuels them even further.
Oh, chin locks in.
Smart way to wear down your opponent.
Sami Zayn a second time.
Ready for takeoff.